How long you been a legal secretary?
24 years this spring.
You good at what you do?
I'm great at what I do.
Then you start tomorrow.
Mr. Spector, I wanted to
You still here?
I don't leave until you leave.
Well, in that case, what time is my meeting with Adidas?
11:15. I moved your 11 to 3 and your 3 to 5.
Did you line up?
Buyers? I did, but not for another week. Nike and Puma overseas, and you said Reebok didn't matter if the other two can't be there.
God damn it.
There's one more thing.
What difference does it make? I can't delay the sale if I don't know why my client is dumping his company on a whim.
That's the one more thing. Mr. Doyle's best friend died a month ago of pancreatic cancer. He was 46.
How'd you know that?
Something he said to you just before he started talking shit about me stuck in my head.
What exactly was that?
When people say life is short 2 times in 30 seconds, it's usually right after somebody died.
I take it you were listening to our conversation.
That's what good secretaries do.
Sorry about the Keebler thing.
You didn't say it. Besides, it doesn't take Albert Einstein to figure out why you hired somebody who looked like me to replace somebody who looked like her.
Listen, Gretchen,
You don't have to worry about that with me. I prefer my men manly.
Am I not manly?
Well, if you have to ask.